Inspirational short story. Cat in a hole. Small kitten in paper side torn hole isolated on white. An excellent inspiring story about life and struggles. One day, an old man was taking a stroll in the forest when he suddenly saw a little cat stuck in a hole. The poor animal was struggling to get out. So, he gave him his hand to get him out. But the cat scratched his hand out of fear. The man pulled his hand while screaming with pain. But he did not stop. He tried to give a hand to the cat again and again. Another man was watching the scene. He screamed, "For God's sake! Stop helping this cat. He's going to get himself out of there." The other man ignored him. He just continued saving the animal until he finally succeeded. And then he walked to that man and said, "Son, it is the cat's instincts that made him scratch and hurt. And it is my job to love and care." Moral of the story: always treat everyone, including animals, with respect and kindness, but do not expect other people to treat you the way you want to be treated. We cannot control how others react to certain situations, but we can control our own. Please, like, share and follow.